Hey guys, good morning. I just released a really long video on, on TA, on SPY, what I think is going to happen today. I don't care. I just recorded for like 5-10 minutes. I'm not going to do that all over again. So what I think is going to happen is we have this break here. If this breaks to the upside, I am looking for 404 and then rejection off that for trend and then upwards, or we just continue to push all the way up to 407. This is because we have historical pushes similar to this back around this range, right? We had a historical push of the 3 hour like this from 387 all the way up to $400 around the $15 move. And again, can we expect a $15 move? It could definitely happen. Is it possible? Sure. Is it plausible? That's a different question, right? But at least for today, I am looking for a push up. You are starting to reject off that trend, right? Pretty hard. So you're starting to reject off that trend pretty hard there. And again, if this 3 hour closes bullish, this is what I'm going to be looking for, something today, tomorrow, like this. If you do start rejecting, right, and you close something like this today, like a daily bear trigger, I'm going to be out of all my longs, everything, because it's extremely risky for me to be holding calls or longs or anything if this daily bear actually closes bullish. If this closes bullish, I'm out, right? So for today, I am expecting a move like I showed you guys a little bit earlier, something in that pattern. But by close today, if we do close this daily bear trigger, I'm completely out, because it's extremely risky to be holding these longs right now while that trigger is going. Again, historically, you do have recently, you do on this recent push to the upside, you do have these trends where the daily trigger has really just traded sideways. And again, that's happened several times, right? Triggered here, came down, pushed all the way up. Right, perfect entry is all the way back here, right? Triggered for the first time it triggered right here, and you still push from 395 all the way up to 432, which is a pretty significant amount. But I don't want to risk it, especially when you're right on trend. Also, this is the perfect time for anybody to really, if you're looking for shorts, today's the perfect time to get into shorts, right? This daily bear trigger within a month can definitely take us back down to like 390, possibly even 381, maybe double bottom here and push up. I don't know. But we can definitely see a push, a really, really hard push down. And look at that. Look at that. You already gave up the 3 hour bullish trigger. Look at that. You already gave it up, right? So chances are right now, you could keep selling off extremely hard. You did recover a little bit there to the upside. But again, if you do not close that 3 hour bullish trigger, there's a really good chance that you're not gonna break this trend. So we'll see what happens today. I'm definitely more bullish than bearish, but it depends where you break this trend level, right? Either you break up to the upside and you keep going to 4445, or you break down, and this probably takes us all the way down to 394, and we continue to push down to something like a 391, 381. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.